Well, a serious new health risk has been identified from a source found in most Melbourne kitchens. Scientists have discovered that cooking with vegetable oil releases toxic chemicals linked to cancer and other deadly diseases. Georgia Main reports.
When it comes to cooking, oils ain't oils.
This study looked at fast food outlets where frying food is at a very high temperature.
Research from the UK found when vegetable oils are heated, high concentrations of toxic chemicals called aldehydes are released. And those chemicals have been linked to cancer, dementia and heart disease.
Aldehyde is chemically known to have some carcinogenic effect if it is consumed in extremely large quantity.
The research showed fish and chips fried in vegetable oil contained up to 200 times more toxic chemicals than the limit set by the World Health Organization. They're now recommending olive oil, coconut oil and butter as healthier choices.
I've been using vegetable oil for a very long time, so there'll be a few people out there maybe very concerned.
Look, I think if you don't use much oil, it's not going to be too much problem.
Separate research out of Oxford University claims the fatty acids in vegetable oils are also contributing to mental health issues and other problems, including dyslexia.
Too much quantity of omega-6 fatty acid may block and reduce the availability of omega-3 fatty acid.
The Heart Foundation says cooking at home doesn't replicate the same conditions as the study, and they won't be changing Australian guidelines.
We really need to put this into perspective. We should be using healthier oils such as your sunflower, canola and your olive oils.
Georgia Main, 7 News.